What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Mike. This is Living with 3M. As you can see, we are doing mirror cap mods. Yes, my truck was XLT Sport, and we've converted just about everything on it, from cloth seats, upgraded to cat skin leather, a lot of other mods that really make the truck more valuable. So now we're getting rid of the basic plastic mirror look. Even though the matte black finish goes with the grille and the accents, but the ruby red goes a lot better. So we're gonna tackle that mod next. So you guys stick around, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. That means a lot to you, boy. All right, let's jump in. I came out, I brought the cover out, and please forgive the pollen. It's falling off these trees like it's just unreal. But I brought the painted ruby red cover out just to check and realize that this piece has got to come off, and I will show you what I'm talking about right here. We're going to replace this piece. So that has to be removed, and you see what I've got in my hand, the trusty plastic trim puller. So, okay, one note about this is you want to start right here from what I've read and I've researched about. There's tabs that hold this piece in, and there's a 99% chance that you're going to break the tabs on this piece. So for me, I don't really care, because I'm never going to go back to these once I put the painted covers on. Some people want to have these just to throw in the closet just in case, but they break usually. It's got four tabs or maybe more, I'm not sure, but one of them 9 times out of 10 will crack, pop, break when you're trying to remove this. So you can buy these at the Ford Parts fairly cheap compared to everything else I bought there. Amazon, eBay, the black plastic is fairly cheap. I'm not going to tell you a price, just research it, and we'll go from there. I'll start. We'll see if the plastic little trim Let's see if we can find another way in. Here seems to be, yeah, look at that. That's, yeah, right there. That was pretty easy, even though I told you up here, right here, it just popped loose with hardly any resistance. So let's work our way on the bottom. Hey, this is first time for me, so please forgive me if I'm taking too long. But I'm just showing you what, there's another one popped. I'm just showing you what you will have to go through. You want to take your time with it. Yeah, see? just popped right off. And no tabs broke except for the infamous corner one right there. It's right there, and it always breaks, they say, just 99% of the time. And so that broke. I'll take a little screwdriver and get that tab out. Actually, it's about to pop loose in my hand right here. There it is. That goes right there. So basically, you have to sacrifice them to get them off, but it does not damage this at all. It's just these little, that's about as cheap as you can get right there. That plastic, look how it's just tearing in my hand. So, all right, closer look. Like I said, sorry for the dirt and the pollen and the crap, but you can see I've got this covering my hand right here, but there's where a clip will go, there, and here. So there's 4 clips inside here. You want to be careful not to drop this also, because I think I paid around 80 bucks for these. All right, I'm gonna try and set my tripod up right here. We'll give it a go. And you want to be extra careful, because I'm sure these trim tabs are the same as the factory or close to the same quality. Flimsy. So, okay. All right, it fits right there. We want to go real slow. You don't want to push in the middle. Yeah, I'm just realizing right here, you're gonna have to make sure that before you snap everything in and really mess up, there's a little guide pin, plastic guide pin or tab right here on the inside. Let me kind of take this back off and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right. Okay, you can see it right here. That mirror cap, if I just set it on the thing, it's going to the inside of that, and that's bad, because if these lock in and that's on the inside, then you've got to pull it all back apart and chances of breaking your tab. But it's got to be on the outside of this little tab right here. All right, so knowing what I've told you about that piece, this is very important. I'm gonna set this here. We're gonna attempt to do this again. Let me get my head in between the camera. Sorry for the bad camera angle. There it is. It fits right there. We should start popping things in. There we go. There it is. All right. Man, huge improvement. Wow. That's awesome. Let me see if I can back up a little more. Yeah. Man, I'm so satisfied. We'll come around here and, you know, the matte black plastic sort of goes with the grill and down here, this stuff. So it doesn't look terrible, but man, when you add the color, the ruby red caps to it, it really makes the truck. It's great small mods. It's not that hard to do in your driveway. All right, so on this one, I'm gonna try the same thing I did on the last one, down here in the corner. Fine. Trim tool is pretty thick. There it is. Get right there. Pop. Work your way around slowly. That. It does require you to work at it, and you want to be careful. There's a tab. There it is. I just about got away without breaking it, but it broke one side of it. So they're all intact except for this infamous bottom corner piece. All right. Okay, going right back, and what I said goes for this one. You want to make sure that's on the outside of that first tab before you start applying anything. Because like I said over there, I know I'm reiterating myself, but if you click this in and that's on the outside, you're gonna have to pull it back off, and with the chances of those clips popping, I don't like the odds on that. So it's best to, what is it called, measure twice, cut once. It applies in popping things together. Get it close, measure. There we go. Man, it looks good. All right. Sorry for the dirty truck. The windshield is terrible. It is bad because you can see all the trees that we have. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, it is, I'm almost straight up with the camera so you can see the trees. All right, man, huge difference. And I wanted to do it in the brightest sunlight so you could see. All right, let me walk over here. Oh yeah, man, excellent. All right, fellas, that's gonna conclude the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the mod. I think it's one of the best visual mods for the money that I've done. It's really great. Have to give props to my boy Kicking It With Q. He's got a ruby red one. You search the name on YouTube, Kicking It With Q. He's got the ruby red caps. He's had them for a long time, and I'm just now getting around to putting them on. But I've also had a lot of comments, you guys wanting to see Gabriel. Some guy said he's always laying around. I'm like, yeah, that's him. Oh yeah, he's going. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, we got neighbors, and this is the watchdog, the alarm. He won't get up, chase them, but he'll let them know. So, all right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. Just props to Kicking It With Q. Search him. Also, my boy Coyote Mike with Venom. Check Coyote Mike out. You won't regret it. Also, another shout out. Well, I got two more shout outs. MACK, Me and Car Keys, out of Atlanta, Georgia. I think he's in Atlanta. Well, he's in Georgia anyhow. But check out Mac, M-A-C-K, Me and Car Keys. And my boy TFBJ Ford in his awesome 8-inch lifted, I think it's FTS lifted F-150. Man, it's pretty bad. He's got 14 wides. Check him out as well. So I mentioned a few guys. Haven't put any links to them, so just search them. Search when I tell you. So you will not be disappointed. All right, guys, thanks, and I'll catch you in the next video. Be sure to yell in the comments, subscribe, holler at your boy.